As for expandability of the G15 desktop, you have a M.2 SSD port directly built into the motherboard on the other side, which can support up to 1 terabyte. But if you want to put a hard drive in this machine, you will have to punch holes directly in these four holes at the bottom of the panel. And once you punch these holes, and let me just take out. So there's a sticker which is there at the bottom of the panel, and there are four stickers at the bottom. So now you want to connect a hard drive, just place it in, screw it from this side, and your hard drive will be placed.